Good morning, guys. Welcome to Brugge Sir's Maths Academy. This is lecture number 2 for logarithm chapter, and we are going to discuss very important laws in logarithm, and we'll solve type 5 in this particular session. So let's begin to understand the different laws of logarithm. Okay. So we are going to discuss first laws of logarithm. Very important session. ठीक है. The first is product law. क्या बोलता है बेटा? Suppose log of m into n to the base a. ठीक है. So multiplication है बेटा. So we write log of m to the base a plus log of n to the base a. Second law is quotient law. How it works is log of m by n to the base a अगर रहा तो we say log of m minus log of n. And lastly, power law. Very important law. Very important law. Which is log of m to the base a power n. So it becomes n log of m. ठीक है. But please understand, in case of logarithm, the default base is 10. If nothing is mentioned, your default base is 10. So you should understand that whenever you come across, for example, log of 1, default base 10 है. अगर नहीं रहा तो भी चलेगा, because log of 1 for any base is always 0. Second, अगर मैं log 10 बोलता हूँ to the base 10, डिफॉल्ट बेस 10 होता है. डिफॉल्ट बेस 10 होता है बेटा. इवन डिफॉल्ट बेस 10 होता है गाइस. सो इवन इफ इट इज नॉट मेंशन देन यू शुड नो log 10 to the base 10 is always 1. Second, log 100 to the base 10 is 2. Similarly log 1000 to the base 10 is 3. Okay. So log of any number, default base is 10, 1. Second चीज आपको ये याद रखनी है कि log of 10, okay, when the default base is 10, ठीक है, you get 1. Either log of 100 है, कितने जीरो से? 2 zeros है, so answer is 2. Log of 1000, कितने जीरो से? 3, so 3. Okay, but this is applicable when the base is 10. When the base is 10. Okay, hope so you're getting it, my child. ठीक है. So guys, let's go through laws again. Law 1, product law. Log of m into n is log of m plus log of n. Multiplication है, plus हो जाएगा. Log of m by n is log of m minus log of n. The third law, power law, log of m raised to n. ये मस्त law है बेटा. n नीचे आ जाता है, so it becomes n log of n. And certain things I want you to remember is log of 1 to the any base actually. Log of 1 to any base is always 0. Log of 10, default base 10 होता है. अगर नहीं mention किया तो भी 10, और अगर mention किया तो best. So log of 10 to the base 10 is 1. Log of 100 to the base 10, कितने जीरो से? 2, so answer will be 2. Log of 1000 to the base 10 will be 3. Okay, my child? So now let's start with type 5. Very important type. Very nice type. Basically ये type से तो एक sum आता ही आता है in exam. So please make sure you do this type very diligently. मैं तुम लोगों को एक sum सिखाता हूँ and I want you to start with all the sums on your own. I want you to try all sums on your own. So give a try. Let's start with very simple sum. Log of 3 plus log of 4 plus log of 5. I'll be doing two sums. Log of 2 minus 1 by 3 log of 125 plus 1 by 4 log of 81. ठीक है? Let us try बेटा. We are going to practice almost 25 sums of this type in this particular session. So please Pay attention, understand this type and try to do on your own. So now we all know log A plus log B plus log C. ठीक है? Wherever multiple logs are there. ठीक है बेटा? Perfect. And plus or minus sign doesn't matter to me. तो सिंगल लॉग में you can convert by writing single log. एक ही लॉग लिखो ब्रैकेट में, जहां प्लस वहां मल्टीप्लाई एंड जहां माइनस वहां डिवाइड. क्या याद रखोगे? जहां प्लस वहां मल्टीप्लाई, जहां माइनस वहां डिवाइड. इन दिस केस एवरीथिंग इज मल्टीप्लस ओनली, सो विल मल्टीप्लाई 3 into 4 into 5. डिफॉल्ट बेस 10 होता है. नहीं लिखोगे तो भी मैं समझ लूंगा कि डिफॉल्ट बेस 10 होता है. 12 5 60. So your answer is log of 60 to the base 10. Okay, your answer is log of 60 to the base 10. बेटा here before applying this law, ठीक है, लॉग के प्रीसीडिंग जो भी नंबर है उसको पावर में ले लो. So I'll write log 125 to the power 1 by 3. Log 81 to the power 1 by 4. So we get log 2 minus log 5 cube plus log log 2 minus log 5 plus log 3. With the same base हम लोग क्या करेंगे बेटा? 2 into 3 divided by 5 log of 6 by 5. क्या सीखा आप लोग ने? पहले आपको जो प्रीसीडिंग नंबर है उसको पावर में लेके जाना पड़ेगा, फिर सिंगल लॉग लिखने का, जहां माइनस वहां डिवाइड, जहां प्लस वहां मल्टीप्लाई. सो प्लस log 2 log 2 एंड log 3 प्लस है तो 2 into 3, और माइनस में log 5 है तो डिवाइड बाय 5. इजी कॉन्सेप्ट समझ में आ गया? तो ये कॉन्सेप्ट लेके डू ऑल सम्स. आई इंसिस्ट पॉज वीडियो, समझो, रिवाइंड करो, खुद करो एंड देन मूव टू 3 4 5 6 7 8 ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. प्लीज ट्राई टू डू ऑन योर ओन बेटा. वी आर गोइंग टू सॉल्व 25 क्वेश्चंस. ठीक है? तो आई वांट यू टू सॉल्व ऑन योर ओन. नाउ प्लीज पॉज वीडियो, गो थ्रू दिस सम अगेन. चलो now please try to attempt question 3 and question 4 on your own. Just give a try my child. So log of 3 square minus log of 4 raised to half plus log of 64 raised to 1 by 3. So that makes log of 9 minus log of 2 square plus log of 4 cube. That makes log 9 minus log 2 plus log 4. सिंगल लॉग में लिखते हैं 9 into 4 upon 2. कितना हो जाएगा बेटा? log 80. Log of 36 raised to half log of 5 square minus log of 2 cube. That makes log of 6 square log of 25 minus log of 8. That makes log 6 plus log 25 minus log 8. Now with the same base एक log लिखो, 6 into 25 divided by 8 log of 2 4s are 3s are 75 upon 4. होप सो आपको समझ में आया हो, होप सो आपको आंसर्स मिल रहे हो. ठीक है? नाउ आई इंसिस्ट पॉज वीडियो, ट्राई टू सॉल्व थर्ड एंड फोर्थ ऑन योर ओन एंड देन गिव अ ट्राई फॉर 5 and 6. अभी पूरा टाइप खुद करो, पूरा क्वेश्चन 1 ऑफ टाइप 5 खुद करो, ऑल 8 सम्स. मैंने 4 सम्स किए हैं, आपको कॉन्सेप्ट समझा है तो प्लीज नाउ स्टार्ट सॉल्विंग ऑन योर ओन गाइज, प्लीज. वेरी इजी एंड वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग चैप्टर. बेटा इधर खाली देखोगे आप, इन द फिफ्थ वन ओनली वन इज गिवन, ओनली वन इज गिवन, ठीक है। इधर सबका डिफॉल्ट बेस तो मुझे मालूम है पहले से ही 10 होता है, कुछ भी नहीं, मतलब डिफॉल्ट बेस 10 होता है। सो 1 को मैं कैसे लिख सकता हूं, मैंने आपको लिखवाया था log 10 is 1, log 10 is 1, so I'll replace this 1 with log 10 plus log 4 minus log 5. So I'll write log of 10 into 4 divided by 5, log of 8. 2 को कैसे लिखो गाइस, याद करो, log of 100 plus log of 8 raised to 1 by 3 minus log of 5 square. Log 100 plus log of 2 cube minus log of 25. So log of 100 plus log of 2 minus log of 25. With a single log, 100 into 2 upon 25. That makes log of 8. 3 को कैसे लिखेंगे, log of 1000 minus log of 5 square plus log of 2. Log of 1000 minus log of 25 plus log of 8. Single log लिख के 1000 into 8 upon 20. Okay, so convert everything to single logarithm. ठीक है, we are expressing as single logarithm. Please pause video and go through this. इसमें आपने क्या सीखा ये 3 सम में, 1 हुआ तो log 10, 2 हुआ तो log 100 and 3 हुआ तो log 1000. डिफॉल्ट आपको लिखना है, ठीक है बेटा। टू बाई 3 log 8. बेटा क्यूब रूट को पावर में कैसे लिखे, 1/3 और ये 6 ऊपर चला गया, 1/9 को 1/3 स्क्वायर इंटू हाफ। चलो प्लीज गो थ्रू ऑल सम्स, ऑल 8 सम्स ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, ठीक है। होप सो यू आर गेटिंग इट, इट्स नॉट डिफिकल्ट एट ऑल। पॉज वीडियो, गो थ्रू ऑल 8 सम्स वन मोर टाइम. I insist you to go through all 8 sums one more time. Please give a try. Now let's move to question number 2. Question 2 is same as question number 1 only. ठीक है, just continuation of it. Perfect बेटा। चलो, I want you to try question number 2 on your own. Just give a try. Question 2 के all 7 sums give a try. Pause करो वीडियो को, पहले खुद ट्राई करो and then obviously you can look at the board. Perfect my child. Chalo guys, let us continue and I want you to try type 5 question number 2 के 7 sums on your own. Chalo, let's get started. Question number 2, sum number 1. Log of 8 plus 2 log 5 minus 1/3 log 8. Second, 4 log 2 plus 3 log 5 minus log of 2. Third, half log 25 plus log 4 minus 1/3 log of 8. log 8 plus log 5 square minus log of 8 raised to 1 by 3. Log 8 plus log 25 minus log of 2 cube. Log 8 plus log 25 minus log of 2. Log of 8 into 25 divided by 2. So log of 100. मेरा default base तो 10 होता है. So answer is 2. Log of 2 raised to 4 plus log of 5 raised to 3 minus log of 2. That makes log of 16 plus log of 125 minus log of 2. So that makes log of 16 into 125 upon 2. Log of 8 into 125. Log of 1000, which is 3. Log of 25 raised to half plus log 4 minus log of 8 raised to 1 by 3. Log of 5 square plus log 4 minus log of 2 cube. So we get log 5 plus log 4 minus log 2. Single log लिखते हैं बेटा. 5 into 4 upon 2 log of 10, which is 1. आराम से गो थ्रू करो बेटा. सेम सम है, सेम तरीके से क्या, खाली इधर एंड में log 100, log 1000, log 10 आया. So our answer became 2, 3 and 1. Perfect बेटा. I insist you pause the video and try for next couple of sums. 4, 5, 6, 7, just give a try. They're wonderful sums. 4, 5, 6, 7, just give a try on your own. They are wonderful sums. 4, 2 log 6 minus 2 log 3 plus half log 620. And the fifth one is 1 plus 3 log 5 plus 3 log 2. Log of 6 square It's a fun to do this kind of sums. But one coil, write it down as log 10. Log of 10,000, so answer will be. Sure. Hope so you're getting it बेटा. I insist कि आप लोग pause करो वीडियो को. हाँ बेटा, pause करो and try to solve these sums on your own. Now let us attempt next two sums of question number 2. Okay, pause video, try to solve on your own, check your answer. This type is so important, that's why I created a separate type on this kind of sums. Very important type. Type not to be missed out. Log of 3 by 4 plus log of 4 by 5 plus log of 5 by 6 minus log of half. And the seventh question, the last question for the day. log of 81/8 plus 2 log 2/3 minus 3 log 3/2 plus log of 3/4. Okay guys, so सब कुछ log log है बेटा, तो with the same, with the plus sign multiply, with the minus sign divide. Now you will observe everything will get cancelled. 3 2s are 6, 1. So we are left with log of 1. And as I mentioned, log of 1 is always 0. कोई भी base हो. Default base तो 10 होता ही है. But in any case also you'll get 1. Log of 1 is 0. चलो 81/8 into 4/9 divided by 9/4 into 3/4. 81/8 into 4/9 into 9/4 into 4/9 into 3/4. Now let's see. 9 9 the 81 cancel. 4 4 cancel. 4 1 the 4 2s. So we are left with log of. Here we made a mistake. It's 27/8. 27/8. 8/27. Chalo. Let us try it out again. All the calculation, let us do one more time. Okay, we made a small mistake. So 81/8 into 4/9 into 8/27 into 3/. Okay. 27 1s are 27. 3s are 8 8 got cancelled. Beta. 3 3s are 9 cancelled. 4 4s are cancelled. So we are left with log 1, which is 0. Perfect, beta. So 6 and 7, very interesting, very important type. Okay. Hope so you have understood the concept, the whole concept of the chapter you have understood, beta. Okay. That is the whole motive here. आपको concept समझ में आना चाहिए, बाकी तो ठीक है. Perfect. So with this, we'll complete a type 5K, question number 1 and question number 2. Now we are going to solve question number 3. Question number 3 has got 10 sums. Chalo, let us get started fast. But again, I'll keep on saying, आपको जस्ट वीडियो देखना नहीं है, आपको खुद सॉल्व करना है. ठीक है. लॉग ए प्लस लॉग बी क्या होता है बेटा? log a plus log b is log a minus b. log a plus b, a minus b is a square minus b square बेटा. Now please understand, there are multiple statements which different school, different teachers ask to write. Some teachers are very comfortable just by comparing. Some teachers say write anti-log. I am very much fine with any of the statements. Okay? So we are just comparing the log के terms. Okay? So we can write anti-log, taking anti-log on both the side or comparing. So we get x square minus 36 equals to 64. X square equals to 100. X is plus minus 10. Then we'll write, since for x equals to minus 10, log is undefined. Because मैंने बोला log of negative number does not exist. ठीक है? Therefore for me x is just 10. ओके, प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड, एक्स का वैल्यू प्लस माइनस 10 मिला ना मैथमेटिकली, -10 को सब्स्टिट्यूट करो, लॉग ऑफ क्या हो जाएगा, -10 + 6 हो जाएगा -4, -10 + 6 हो जाएगा -4, सो लॉग ऑफ नेगेटिव नंबर नॉट डिफाइंड. ओके, सो नॉट पॉसिबल. Comparing Sure. Please go through sum number 1 and 2 with that and solve the rest 8 sums on your own. I want you to try for all 8 sums on your own. Just give a try. Okay? Sure. Kindly pause video. Go through sum number 1 and 2. Now we'll move to sum number 3 and 4. Comparing beta. Beta x cannot be -7 since log is not defined for negative number. Log is not defined for negative number. Hope so you're getting it beta. Very easy sums. Okay? Kindly pause video, go through this sum. In fact, now onwards, try to do on your own all sums. Okay? That is the best way to do maths. बेटा एक्स स्क्वायर x-6 x-3 को मल्टीप्लाई करो बेटा. Comparing डबल टर्म बेटा. Comparing. So please go through sum number 5 and 6. 5 is very interesting. आपका quality equation बन गया. We did split the middle term बेटा इधर. Split the middle term क्या? क्यों बेटा? Because product was 14, sum was -9. So -7 -2. चलो please take your 2 minutes and try to do on your own. प्लीज ट्राई टू डू ऑन योर ओन. जितना खुद करोगे उतना बेटर आउटकम मिलेगा बच्चा अपने को. ठीक है, प्लीज गिव अ ट्राई ऑन योर ओन. So now let's go to 7 and 8. Again split the middle term बेटा. But as I mentioned, log is not defined for the negative number. So x is just 6. ठीक है बेटा, log is undefined for the negative number. बेटा log a minus log b क्या होगा मेरा बच्चा? log a minus log b क्या होगा? log of a by b. चलो guys, let's do last two sums guys. Last two sums for the type and for the session. In this particular session, we have covered entire type 5. Around 25 sums we solved in this particular type. Very important type, mark it important. Comparing. Again, x is not defined for the negative value. Therefore, x is true. Okay? Log is undefined for the negative value. So, x is true. And here we come the last sum for the type. 1 को मैंने क्या लिखा बेटा? log 10. Comparing. Guys, hope so you have understood all the sums and the entire type 5. Hope so. Okay. You understood both the sessions. I just want you to practice both the sessions very, very well. All type 5 sums, okay? All sums from type 1 to type 5. Just practice it. This notes is more than sufficient for you all to do well in exams. Okay? It covers all the concepts. Thank you so much for listening us out. Have a great day.